Thank you, respected Chairman. My esteemed shareholders, Reliance's exploration and production business is a strategic cornerstone of India's energy security. Our KG-D6 and CBM fields together constitute one of India's most productive natural gas platforms. When the West Asian conflict disrupted LNG supplies, Reliance swiftly redirected its domestic gas to priority sectors such as city gas distribution, fertilizers, and power generation. When the nation needed it most, Reliance delivered. This business reported revenue of 23,861 crore and an EBITDA of 19,050 crore for the year 26. Friends, our KG Basin fields performed in line with expectations. Gas production was nearly 26 MMSCMD, which is about 30% of India's natural gas production. Further, oil production was about 18,000 barrels of oil per day. We are executing a targeted well intervention program to sustain plateau production through the year 27 and beyond. On CBM, I am pleased to report impressive momentum due to the successful implementation of multilateral wells, the first of its kind in India. Our second campaign is on schedule, with 23 of 40 multilateral wells completed, and production momentum is building. Given E&P's vital role in India's energy independence, Reliance will continue to actively pursue new opportunities in this sector. We are building not just for today's energy needs, but for India's energy future. Dear shareholders, let me now speak about our oil-to-chemicals business. Every business aspires to one quality above all else: the ability to stay strong when the external environment turns volatile. In the year 26, our oil-to-chemicals business demonstrated that quality not in theory but in practice, under perhaps the most extreme conditions. Revenue for the year grew 5.7% to 6,62,401 crore. EBITDA grew 10.1% to 60,546 crore. Friends, let me take you back to March 2026, when the Strait of Hormuz was disrupted. Crude and product markets witnessed extraordinary volatility during the period. Yet, our diversified sourcing and agile logistics sustained operations, helping us maintain near full refinery throughput in the fourth quarter. However, the conflict impacted margins as physical barrels commanded a premium, freight rates jumped, and insurance costs surged. We increased LPG supply fourfold to help the nation tide over the import disruption. This is the structural advantage of building the world's most integrated, most flexible, most resilient refining and chemicals complex. The decades of investment in feedstock diversity, gasifier infrastructure, and operational excellence delivered when it mattered the most. Dear shareholders, as committed last year, our major investments are progressing well. Let me walk you through them. Advanced execution is underway on the 3 million ton PTA facility at Dahej. This project will cement our position as one of the world's most cost-competitive producers. Our carbon fiber facility at Hazira is poised to become one of the world's largest and most advanced facilities of its kind. This is a monumental achievement and provides a platform from diverse industries, ranging from wind energy to hydrogen and from humanoids to defense. Our PVC and CPVC expansion, including a 1.2 million ton PVC plant at Nagothane, will significantly cut imports of materials that millions of Indian homes and industries depend on every day. These capacities will serve India's growing demand across infrastructure and consumer goods, boost value-added exports, and capture the next leg of growth. Friends, we continue to adopt digital technologies in innovative ways to enhance operational efficiency. Here are 3 specific examples of how we are digitizing operations. First, Our proprietary AI-driven feedstock optimization tool now helps select the most efficient crude blends. Second, our digital logistics platform developed in-house streamlined chartering and supply chain operations. And third, the new age smart contract execution tools improve speed and accuracy in customer transactions. Building on these digital foundations, we are progressing towards operating Jamnagar as the world's first end-to-end autonomous refinery, an industrial milestone that will define the next era of global refining. Dear friends, our consumer energy business under GOBP grew strongly this year, maintaining adequate fuel availability in domestic markets despite costs soaring above market prices in the last few months. GOBP petrol and diesel volumes grew 29% year-on-year, significantly outpacing industry growth and gaining higher market share. Our retail network grew to nearly 2,200 outlets, with 400 under construction. We expanded EV charging to 80 cities and 45 highways, and grew our CBG network, making us the largest player in the country. Our CBG and CNG network covers 177 sites, with volumes growing 68% year-on-year. GOBP remains India's most efficient and effective fuel retailing network. Dear shareholders, our O2C business is entering its next generational strategic evolution. Every barrel of crude we process will increasingly yield chemicals and high-value materials, not just fuels. More efficient, more export-driven, more valuable. This business financed our past. It is financing our future, and it's the best chapter still ahead. My dear shareholders, there are businesses that create value, and then there are missions that shape civilizations. Our new energy business is a unique combination of both. It is Reliance's most ambitious generational undertaking, designed to solve India's energy trilemma of security, affordability, and sustainability simultaneously at a scale that has no parallel. In the year 26, this mission moved from construction to commissioning. The Dhirubhai Ambani Green Energy Giga Complex at Jamnagar, spread over 5,000 acres, is now one of the world's most integrated clean energy manufacturing ecosystem. Our founding chairman, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, always dreamt of making India self-sufficient in energy. This business is a manifestation of that dream. Dear shareholders, I am proud to report that our solar PV cell and module manufacturing lines have been commissioned and are now operational. Nearly 1 gigawatt of HJT modules have been produced, with around 2% higher energy yield, 15% better temperature performance, and 25% lower degradation than conventional modules. We have achieved ALMM listing for HJT technology, the first in India for this advanced cell type. This is a proud affirmation of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's clarion call for Make in India. We are building towards 20 gigawatt per annum of fully integrated capacity, from polysilicon to ingots, wafers, cells, modules, and glass. Every step in this chain is a step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends,